Thank you for watching the unboxing for JVC's HAET50BT. Comes in a really nice sturdy box with a magnetic closed lid. These are the headphones themselves, obviously. They're packed really nicely in this foam container. This is the USB to micro USB charging cable they come with. They come with 12 silicone ear tips. 2 of them are already on the headphones themselves when you get them, but there are 3 different sizes, small, medium, and large, and they have a full set of those that are perforated so you can hear ambient sound in case if you're running in traffic. Now the sealed back ones, the ones that aren't perforated with the hexagonal shape, are the ones that are going to give you the very best sound quality. They're going to give you the tightest fit in your ear, so you're going to get the most bass response and the best sound. Of course, the instructions in the warranty manual. And thank you very much for watching.